Home freeze dryer, installation and use tutorial. Pour in vacuum pump oil. Let the oil rise to the middle of the observation port. Connect the main unit and vacuum pump with a clamp. Connect the vacuum pump to the power supply. Insert the freeze dryer. Connect the main unit to the power supply. Close the drain and inflation valve. Insert the temperature probe into the material. Close the hatch. Keep the door handle upright. Turn on the switch. Select the language. Click on Formula. Select Vacuum Pump. Enable section. The default is the second section. Click Enter. Set temperature. Click Enter. Set the time. Click Enter. Set the vacuum lower limit and upper limit. And so on. Set up other second, third, fourth, etc. sections. Unset section. Machine not running. Click Save and Apply. Return to the Run page. Click Manual. Click on the refrigerator. Click on Continue. Click on Altern. Click on Continue. Return to the operation page. It can be observed that the temperature of the cold trap drops rapidly. Click Curve. You can observe the temperature curve. Insert USB drive. Click Data. Click Data Export. Set time period. Click USB Export. You can copy the data to the USB drive. Waiting for freeze drying. After the formula program is finished, do not click OK yet. Open the water and air valve to 1/3. Prevent vacuum pump oil from backsucking. You can hear the sound of inflation. Click to Yes. Then turn off the refrigerator. Open the hatch and take out the materials. Before turning on the defrost function, connect the hose to the water outlet. Put a water collection basin. Open the water release and air filling valve. Click Defrost. Click Continue. Return to the operation page. You can see that the machine starts to defrost.